Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable DataFeedWatch review alerts, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To disable DataFeedWatch review alerts, start by logging into your DataFeedWatch account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the settings option in the left sidebar. Click on settings to access your account preferences. In the settings menu, find the alerts section. Click on Alerts to open the alert configuration options. Locate the Review Alerts settings within the Alerts section. You will see options to configure various types of alerts. Find the toggle switch or checkbox for review alerts. Click the toggle or uncheck the box to disable review alerts. After making your selection, scroll to the bottom of the page. Look for the Save Changes button. Click Save Changes to confirm your new settings. You should receive a notification confirming that your changes have been saved. Review alerts are now disabled for your account. To double-check, navigate back to the Alerts section. Ensure that the toggle switch or checkbox for review alerts remains off. You have successfully disabled DataFeedWatch review alerts. If the page does not, make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.